Hey everyone, welcome back to VisionX. Today we're breaking down how to train an AI model step by step. We're talking real-world usable stuff for 2025. Let's go!
First things first, know what problem you're trying to solve. Whether it's detecting defects, predicting churn, or summarizing documents, a clear goal shapes everything else.
Next, collect the right data. Good data beats fancy algorithms any day. Label it well, clean it up, remove duplicates, handle missing values, and split it into training, validation, and test sets. This is where you pick your algorithm. Want speed and simplicity? Go with linear or decision tree models. Need more flexibility? Try neural networks or transformer-based models, especially if you're dealing with language or images. Time to train. Run your model on the training set, tweak hyperparameters like learning rate or batch size, and tune until validation results look solid. Always keep an eye out for overfitting. Too perfect on training data isn't good.
Now test it! Use the test set to check performance with metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, or F1 score depending on your problem. Also test edge cases, the weird or rare scenarios to catch surprises. Launch time. Deploy your model to your application, but don't forget ongoing maintenance. Monitor data drift, performance, and keep a developer in loop for updates and retraining. Training AI isn't a one-and-done deal. As new data comes in, retrain your model, update labels, and continuously improve. Think of it as an ongoing cycle, not a single sprint.
And that's how you train an AI model in 2025. 7 steps: goal, data, model, train, evaluate, deploy, and then rinse and repeat. Want a full breakdown with diagrams and examples? Check out the full blog post links in the description. Got questions about your AI project? Drop them in the comments or reach out to us. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and catch you in the next one.